After install the workpiece and the tool holder wheel, then we need to start to edit the program. So we go to the use the graphic input, F3 graphic input. Press. Then now is keyway is only one single keyway. So press F5 single keyway. In a single keyway, you must to input first point X and first point Y. This first point X and the first point Y is the first slotting point. So later we must use the menu to test the first point value to get the first point X and the first point Y. And then later, and the keyway now we test the keyway is keyway Y is 8, and the keyway dips is 3.3, but it's the dips is from first point to the final destination. So the keyway dips you must to calculate, then input. Then the rough feed is no use, is for 0. This dips compensated is 0, no need. Cross. This tool direction, you must, this tool direction is 1. Then tool wise, now we use cutter is 8. The cross is for bigger keyway use, so wise compensates, no use. 5 feed, this is for feeding, each feeding is 0.5. Then next, finish program, finish the number is at the destination to feed, non-feed stroke two times. The clearance is in form of the first point distance. Usually we set 0.1, 0.2 to 0.5, and because the hole is very small, we set 0.2. Then after, now we would like to, every time you must to get the first point X and the first point Y. Then after you just to code to do the code generator to create the program. So now we must to use the menu MPG function. So press 2. Then we use the menu function to test. Then we move. We press here to test. To see. So here is about 0.5 US to touch the workpiece, the surface. This point is a first point, is a first point. Then you can see this X and Y. X is just before we use the dial gauge to test the cutter center, and then get the cutter center is cutter offset 0.133. Then now the feeding is at the 0.54. It's start to cutting. So this X and this Y is first point. So first point value. So we go to the graphic. Come here. First 0.133. Then this one is 0.540. Enter. 0.133. 0.540 is this value absolute. This X and Y. You just input the two value into single X and Y. Then it's okay. Then you can stop. Then okay, you double check the data. 0.1, first point X, first point Y, keyway is 8, yeah, right? Keyway tip. And keyway toward direction, toward Y. Okay, feed each time 0.05 and the finish N2, clearance 02. Okay, everything is correct. Then you just press F8 to create. Then the control automatic to create the program. Then you can go to the monitor to start to monitor, and then everything is correct. You must press the mode to auto. This auto program auto. Then in the beginning you test. You can use the MPG simulation. Press, then cycle start. Then you can go to see. You first go to 0, and first you must go to the. Then go to the first point, 0.454, but clearance 0.2, so it's from the 0.34 start to cut. Then if everything is off, you just release this. Then start to cut it. Automatic start to cut it. Also, this testing, so use the manual pulling. So you automatic to stop it, to cut it the keyway. You have any danger, you can use the cycle top, V-hole, and again, this V-hole stop temperature. This again it will start. After the finish the workpiece, then you can check. Then you can check the keyway tips. The keyway tips now is 78.2. If not enough, if the tips is not enough, then we just go to graphic to modify. You can change a tip plus. If you want to tips not enough, you can plus 0.1, 0.05. Okay, plus then the key tips it will be this keyway tips and the tip compensation. Then you can generate again. Then you can monitor. Then you can cut to test again. Then you will do cut again and cut, and then until you can check the tips first to test the workpiece until the tips and the size is okay. Then you can use the program to continue to slot in the workpiece. Yeah, but the cycle time show here. So each time is 0.05. In the future, after start to slotting, you can use the pulling to continue to pulling the service. After the destination, 1, 2 times, stop. Then we measure again. Yeah, it's everything is correct. Now it's correct. Now the program is okay. If the program is okay, then just now we used automatic method to create the program. The program we memory in the program number. You can use program file manager. Every time the program is memory is program number 0000040. You can see here. Here is a 1 first point, 0.133 first point y, and every value is that this value is same as just now you set in here. So this program 00000 is just now you created the program. But now you would like to you want to copy the program to another file. You can use the here copy file, F2 copy file. Copy file, then you can use the, for example, now you use the 508. You mean the whole is 25, keyway is here, is 8. Then enter, successful. Okay. Then this program will be copied to here. 2508. Then you can next time when you to machining this workpiece, you can use the program. Okay. You also can to modify the compensation directly. No need to create. For example, now the tips is not enough. We can change to 0.1 or modify 0.5. So we can directly modify this one in your in this program. So every time you just call the program 25 in the hole and the keyway add, then to check, then to adjust, then you can to production the workpiece. This is so then every time usually you just to adjust because you need to change the tool cutter. So first point Y and the keyway tips should be a little different. So you must first to test cutting, then to modify, to add the keyway tips compensate or the first starting point, the value, then it's okay. So this is the method how to adjust, how to slot in one keyway process. Okay. Now we test the 5, the inner hole 15 and the keyway 6, the keyway slotting process. First, we install the slotting bar and the cutters, then adjust the cutter at the center of the workpiece. Then we use the MPG to enter this one to test first. Because the hole is very small, so it means the first is the first slotting 0.01, and so the first is the 0.02. The first slotting point here. Okay, after here is in the zero is the to touch. So the first starting point 0 and the first starting point Y is just 2 micron is touch. Then keyway Y is 6. Keyway tips is 2.8 at the difference. So from the touch to the destination, after calculate, is 3.507. Then roughness, then the deepness and drop in the tool direction, tool wise. Then the is 6 tool wise is 6 millimeters. Then 5 feet is 0.05. Then okay, finishing numbers. No feet stroke. The clearance, because the hole is very small, so now we clearance is 0. Okay. Then we everything check is okay. Then we can call generator. Then monitor. Okay. Now we program, and first we use the MPG simulator to touch. Okay. Then we to stop. Okay. Okay. It's right. Then after right, with this one, they do to come start. After finish, remember we to check the tips. Yes, it's okay. If the tips is not enough, then you can go to tip timeline 0.02, for example. Yes, okay. Then call it generate the program again. Then again. Double check the tips. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. Then it's okay. This program we must to copy to back up. So you can go to the program, F2 program, then F8 file manager, then go to 000 is just now the automatic created program. Now we would like to copy to the program you need. So we copy file. Copy file. This is we use O. Program O. Then inner hole is 15606 the keyway. So we use 1506. Then enter. The success is okay. So you can see now have a 01506. This program is for this one and this slotting bar. So every time you can use this one to do the program to slotting. Okay, now it's okay. We can take off. Take off this one and put in. Usually put in the new piece. The new piece. Okay. Then we just cycle start again. Then continue next. Okay, after finish, this is keyway. A keyway you make. Keyway you make. Yes, this keyway. Keyway. Okay. So this is a small one workpiece in the hole 15 and 6. So this is a small one. Okay. So you can see this process. Okay. Okay.